a member of the County Assembly of Wajir was kidnapped and disappeared mysteriously. The family of the disappeared person, the Speaker of the County Assembly of Wajir, plus the MCAs were present, and the eyewitness who was with the Honorable Member of the County Assembly is with us to narrate what happened, so that we will then explain what action, as the lawyers, we have done. Let me have the family state their case first before the eyewitness who is with me narrates what happened.
Just as the council has said, the family of my name is Mohammed Malim Ismail, a cousin to Honorable Yusuf Hussein Ahmed, who we have been missing since Friday evening. The family has undergone a lot of anxiety because Honorable Yusuf was a family man with 4 families. Imagine, of course, with a number of children. Imagine you've gone out not to return. So the family has been, from Saturday morning up to now, have been going up and down looking for the whereabouts of Honorable Yusuf Hussein Ahmed, who is the member of County Assembly, Dela Ward, Wajir County. There is a lot of anguish as a result of his abduction, mysteriously. We have gone to most of the security agencies, reported the matter at Industrial Area Police Station, hoping that Mr. Yusuf Hussein will return. Now, the 4th day running, we've not got any information from the security agencies. And because of that, we have instructed our Mr. Omari to ask the court to compel the security agencies to bring Mr. Honorable Yusuf Hussein before court. And that's why we are here today. Thank you.
My name is Wambua. My name is Wambua Kioko. Mimi ni mtu wa taxi. Nafanyanga na Bolt, Uber, Faras na Little up ine. Kwa hiyo siku alirequest na Faras pale South Sea Moo Avenue. Wakati alirequest, niliweza kutoka penye nilikuwa nikakuja kumchukua. Penye alikuwa amesimama alikuwa na mwenzake, walikuwa wanaongea pale. After nimefika, wakaagana na mwenzake akaingia estate yenye alikuwa amesimama pale nje, Alai Estate, na nikachukua customer. Tukatoka na customer, immediately after tumetoka, aliweza kuniambia nimpe charger ya type C, acharge simu yake. Nikampea charger, akacharge simu, yeye ako tu kwa simu sababu nadhani alikuwa TikTok. Amekuwa tu kwa simu, atuongei vile. Nikaingia Mombasa Road, nikashika Lusaka Road sababu nilikuwa nampeleka Pangani Heights. Nikateremka na Lusaka Road. Kufikia pale roundabout ya Industrial Area Prison, Enterprise Road pale, ndo niliona Prado ya white inajaribu kuniingia sababu nilikuwa to the left, Prado ya white ilikuwa to the right. Ilijaribu kuniingia. Ile kuniingia nikashindwa kwa vipi, kwa nini inaniingia na mbele yake hakuna gari. Nikapiga brake kidogo. Yeye akarudi tena right. Mimi nikaendelea na left. Kidogo tena akaingia, lakini aniingii kabisa, akarudi tena. Like 70 meters from the roundabout ndo hiyo kitu ina happen. Kidogo ndo nilisikia another black Prado ina hoot. Pipi. Ndo nikakanyaga brake kidogo. All of a sudden ile black Prado imekuja mbio, alafu ile ya white haitaki kumuondokea. Kidogo ndo iliondoka, alafu hiyo black ikaniingia lazima pale. Nikasimama, ikaniingia mbele ile black Prado sababu white imesonga kidogo, a black one imeingia. Vile imeingia mimi nikasimama. Nikazima gari. Kuzima gari sababu gari yangu nikishazima milango inajifungua yenyewe. Waliweza kutoka wanaume 5 kwa ile gari na gari ya Prado ikakuwa bado iko on motion kidogo. Walitoka 5, 4 wakakuja kwa passenger seat na mmoja akakuja mbele ya side ya kwangu kwa dereva akanishikia gun. Wengine vile walitoka walikuwa nainua to the west, they had some guns to the west. Sasa vile walikuja hivi walimchukua ule jamaa nilikuwa nimebeba haraka wakamuingiza kwa ile Prado yao. Na mmoja akarudi tena. Akaniambia leta kila kitu. Leta kila kitu yako yote, wakachukua simu yangu, aeda na earphones na charger, wakachukua wakatoka nazo. Ule mmoja bado amenishikia gun to my side. Ndio sasa baadaye after huyu amechukua kila kitu yangu kwa gari, waliingia tena kwa gari wakatoka. Waliingia tena wote kwa gari, wakatoka na customer, wakaenda mbele kidogo pale Lusaka Road wakapiga U-turn. Wakapiga U-turn wakarudi tena na kamba wanarudi na Nyayo, lakini sasa pale sikujua vile walirudi na U-turn waliweza kwenda na Enterprise ama walirudi straight na Nyayo. After then mimi nimekaa pale sababu sijaiona kitu kama ile, ikakuwa like niko so panicked. Niliweza kukaa pale kama dakika 10 hivi. Nikatoka, nikaingia Enterprise Road, nikaingia pale prison. Prison nikawaelezea what happened. Wakaniambia niende wapi? Niende Industrial Area Police Station. Nilienda Industrial Area Police Station nikareport, nikaandikiwa OB. Hiyo ilikuwa saa 3:40 ndio niliweza kuandikiwa OB, nikatoka Industrial Area Prison. Industrial Area Police Station. Kutoka nikarudi Lusaka Road. Kuna hiyo petrol station inaitwa Rubis. Pale ndo niliingia. Kuingia pale nikasema acha niakishe ile taa ya gari pale juu nione kama labda kuna damage yote imekuwa caused sababu alimvuta na nguvu. Kuakisha taa ndo nilinotice kuna simu imeanguka kwa passenger seat. Ndo niliweza tena kurudi immediately police station. Nikaelezea afanda, nikaambia nimepata hii simu pale, sikushika wala nini. Nikaambia hii simu nimepata pale, ndo nimeweza kurudi tena ni report the case. Sasa nikaingia pale, wakapiga picha, wakachukua simu na mimi wakaniweza kunirelease. Nikaenda kwa nyumba. Ndo the following day nikaitwa tena police station. Tukaweza kuzunguka na DCI nikiwaonyesha penye nilichukua customer na penye aliabductiwa. Ndio sasa wakaniambia niko free, kama kuna kitu kingine itahitajika nitapigiwa simu. Hiyo ndio naweza sema.
Much Bwana Lawyer, this is the 5th day. My name is y2mate. I'm the Speaker of the Wajir County Assembly of Wajir. So this is the 5th day since Honorable Yusuf was abducted. For the last 2-3 days, we have done our best to bring to the attention of the country and the security agencies of this matter. We are deeply concerned. The electorate, his family, the people of Wajir, and the country at large is deeply concerned for the safety of the honorable member. As you are aware, this is a state officer, and therefore his absence, the lack of knowledge and information of his whereabouts is deeply troubling to the entire country. So we are appealing for 2 things. First, we request the government agencies to ensure everything possible is done to unearth the mystery surrounding the abduction of this honorable member. As you are all aware, the President has time and again committed himself to eliminate extrajudicial means of dealing with crime. So we are asking the government agencies to expedite and help us to deal with this matter and to unearth any information they might have so far collected for the last 4 days in trying to resolve this issue. Secondly, if for any reason, Honorable Yusuf is being held by the security agencies, we are appealing to them to ensure that he is produced in court immediately and bring any evidence they have against him. So the most important thing for now is the safety of this honorable member. And every day that goes without us having any information about him is troubling to us, is a very big concern to his community, is a very big concern to his electorate, and is causing instability in the Wajir County. So we are appealing that everything should be done to ensure that we resolve and unearth the mystery surrounding the abduction of this honorable member. Thank you. With us, we are close to 25 to 30 MCS from Wajir County. With us are also members of the County Assembly of Mandera and members of the County Assembly from Garissa. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Abdusalan Mohammed, the Deputy Speaker for Wajir County Assembly. All I want to say is we're living in a country that is controlled or guided by the law. It has become rampant in northeastern, especially Wajir County, that people are abducted by the security agencies and they never see the face of a court of law and they never be seen again. Recently in Wajir, just previously before the honorable member disappeared, 2 other young men were abducted from Wajir North constituency for whatever reason or whatever crime they committed, the same way the honorable member was abducted. And they are yet to be found or charged. I think it is 20-something days today, and they have never been taken to any court of law. The honorable member, Yusuf Hussein, member for Dela Ward, was abducted on Friday night around Enterprise Road. Until today, he has not been produced in any court of law. So all we are asking, are we living in a jungle? Are the security agencies doing whatever they want? Even if somebody is a criminal, at least he should be given a chance to defend himself in a court of law. Or if he's a suspect, then until he's proven guilty, he remains a suspect. So all we are asking is that the security agencies to produce the honorable member, and if he's in any other matter suspected for anything, let him be produced, be taken to a court of law and be charged. But disappearance and you never know wherever he is, what they are doing to him, or if he's alive or dead, is a matter of concern to the entire Wajir County. Thank you so much.
Let's allow, we have some to talk.
Good morning, members of the press. My name is Honorable Muhammad Ibrahim. I am a member of County Assembly from Mandera. Together with other colleagues, we join our brothers from Wajir and we stand in solidarity with them at this time of grief, because the people of Dela Ward have elected Honorable Yusuf to represent them in the Wajir County Assembly. But the unfortunate bit today is that there is mystery about whether he is alive or whether he is dead. And the people in his constituency, the people in his ward, are living under uncertainty. So mine is to join our colleagues and ask the government, specifically the National Police, led by the acting IG, Inspector General, to produce our brother in court. If he is held by the state, by the security agencies, the constitution of this country is very clear. We are not in a military state. We are in a democratic state guided by rule and law. We demand from the government, specifically the IG, to produce this honorable member in court. And if he's not held by the government, it is the responsibility and the sole mandate of the government to protect the lives and properties of the citizens of this country. So it is upon their mandate to tell us where he is. And we want to know where Honorable Yusuf Hussein is. This is the 5th day from Friday. And you can imagine the families of Honorable Yusuf, the kind of anxiety, the kind of emotional problems they are undergoing. The people who have elected this honorable member to represent their plight have no representation today because they don't know where their honorable member is. So we demand from government to tell us where the honorable member is. Thank you very much.
Abducted, mimi ni mheshimiwa kutoka Wajir County Assembly, na leo tumejumuika hapa kuja kumtafuta mheshimiwa mwenzetu Yusuf Hussein aliyechukuliwa. Hatujui kama ni serikali, hatujui kama ni wajambazi, lakini vile tunaona tunataka serikali itusaidie, imulete Yusuf aendelee kufanya kazi, kutumikia wakazi wa Dela Ward na Wajir County kwa ujumla. Mbele yake kulikuwa na vijana wawili pia walitekwa nyara na watu wasiojulikana. Hatujui mahali wamepelekwa. Wote wanatoka Wajir County. Tunataka serikali, kwa sababu hawa ndio watu wa security, watutafutie vijana wetu, mheshimiwa, na vijana wetu wote waletwe. Kama wako na hatia waletwe kotini, kama hawana hatia naye wasiumizwe, waletwe kama wako salama vile walichukuliwa. Na pia tungependa kama hawataweza kuletwa leo, waletwe leo jioni. Kwa hayo nasema asante.
Hussein has been missing since Friday, and we have knocked each and every door, the DCI, the IG office, IPOA, which we have an active case with them, and Makadara sub-county commandant, plus the DCI boss there. So that means we have reached out to all the security officers. And the person who's in charge of security in Kenya is the IG and the DCI. We believe that nothing can happen without the knowledge of the IG and the DCI. We are giving an ultimatum that Honorable Yusuf cannot be missing. We want his body, or either him alive or dead, in the next 2 days. We cannot allow the acting IG, when he's acting, when he's doing like this, we believe he's sabotaging the agenda of Kenya Kwanza. The MCA has been elected on Kenya Kwanza ticket. I've been elected on Kenya Kwanza ticket. He is the minority whip. That means the security agencies have already created an illegal detention and forceful abduction of the honorable member. We are tired of begging them. We have been going around. So we expect this process to be at least to be fast-tracked, and the honorable member be produced in a court of law. If it's not produced in a court of law, then we believe it's upon the security agencies to respond to what happened to that honorable member. And that's why we have our advocate, Danson Omari, so that if the government fails to produce the honorable member, probably in the next 2 days, then the DCI, the IG, should be responsible and be brought before the corridors of justice. Nothing short of that. Thank you so much.
My name is Honorable Ibrahim, member of Wagala Ginyure Ward from Wajir County Assembly. I have the same sentiment with my colleagues who have just spoken to condemn the mysterious abduction happened to Honorable Yusuf. It is very unfortunate at this century to realize that the honorable member can disappear like that. Nobody is above the law. We were expecting that if at all there are some suspicious issues, Honorable Yusuf will be arraigned in court and cases should go on. That's the kind of the expectation that we are expecting from the security agents. But according to the information that we have been given by the security team and the narration or the sequences or the chronological event of how our brother was been abducted, is a clear indication that the integrity of the Inspector General is in question mark. If this Inspector General is going to be approved, we expect more harm than goods. We want to categorically state that the security of honorable members of County Assembly of Kenya is in stake. Because these honorable members were elected like any other state officers. We were expecting that the government will provide us security. There are many honorable members who are MCA who are today missing or have been killed. Because we had a lot of information. We want to know that this kind of lacuna that in the constitution, where the state officers are being, discriminated, others have been treated. Honorable members today, the MPs have a security, women have a security, but the members of the county assembly, who are always close contact with the y2mate, they don't have any security, and we are exposed to a lot of risk. These are the kind of the conversations that we want to have as members of the County Assembly of Kenya with the President. We are appealing His Excellency, His Excellency William Ruto, the President, should help us, because this kind of abduction has put, the family members in a very it has traumatized. The family members are crying. They are seeking information from us. We don't have any information, credible information that we can disseminate to the electorate and to the family members. If honorable members are being treated like this, what do you expect of the common y2mate? This is a country that's governed by the Constitution. This is not a police state. And those people who have been given the mandate to protect the life and the property of the y2mate should not misuse that. We want the police officers should be very professional. And when they're interpreting the law, they should interpret in a way that enhances the right, the fundamental right of the Kenyans, not to curtail it. So we are appealing the security agents to expedite the process of, bringing credible information of whereabouts of our colleague. According to the information that we got from the taxi driver, our colleague has requested a taxify from Nairobi, South Sea. He was heading to Bagani. Very brave man. He directly went to the industrial area police station and he has reported the case. We were expecting now those guys who are at the station to, make a signal to all these other police areas, police stations, so that they start the process of investigation and following up. They did nothing. So as a members of the Wajir County Assembly, we believe that there's a negligence of duty from the station where the taxi driver has reported to the highest rank of the CID. Because we went to the ATBU and all these other security agencies, we were not getting any information. And we are pretty sure that they have a very credible information, but they don't want to disclose to us. Today is the day that the security agents of this country, they will tell us whether they will work in isolation or they will work with the leaders who have been elected by the people. If you think that the security agents can work in Wajir and Mandera and Garissa without even, respecting and considering the life and the input of the y2mate representative, then we will see if you can work in isolation, because we don't have a trust. What do you expect of the common y2mate? The whole assembly of Wajir today, there's no business that's going on. Everything has been disrupted, because that 5 MCS are in Wajir following up and standing with the family members in solidarity. The people of Wajir are expecting us today to discuss a very, emotive issues, motions and statements concerning about the plea and the suffering of the people of y2mate. How are we going to execute the duties that we have been elected? Tunakatu hapa Nairobi na tunafuatilia huyu mwenzetu ako wapi. So the government should come up and tell us from the Ministry of Interior, the head of the CID, all these agencies, kindly. Thank you so much.
Received instructions on behalf of the member of Wajir County Assembly that he had gone missing. The family and the eyewitnesses So I've shown an affidavit that he was abducted by the security apparatus. We have filed a petition for the habeas corpus for the production, either life or dead, of the Honorable Member of Parliament. We expect the judge to give directions today so that either the relevant agencies come and confirm that they are holding the Member of Parliament contrary to the provisions of Article 49 and 50, that he must be produced in court within 24 hours. 2, if he's not with the relevant security apparatus, then an explanation on the status of the investigations, since it's 5 days since an official complaint, an official report was filed at Industrial Police Station. So we hope that within the specified timelines, within the judiciary procedures, the judge will give directions, and we shall comply with the directions that the judge will issue. I'm appealing for calm in Wajir County, and I'm appealing the whole of Northeastern to have calm. This matter is now seized by the judiciary, and as law-abiding members of the county assemblies of Mandera, Wajir, Garissa have indicated here, they have trust in the law and in the due process, and that is why they have instructed me to go to court. Kwa hivyo tutatarajia kwamba ile kesi tumewazilisha mahakamani leo itaweza kufika mbele ya judge na aweze kupeana directions, sababu aliyepotea haijulikani kama ako mikononi mwa serikali ama ako mikononi wa wahalifu. Mwenye jukumu la kusema ako na polisi ama ako na wahalifu ni serikali ya taifa la Kenya. Kwa hivyo ndio tumeenda mahakamani na tunatarajia kwamba tutapata njia mwafaka ya jinsi ya kutatua hili shida. Kwa niaba ya familia, ni msiba mkubwa kutojua aliko mpendo wao. Ni msiba mkubwa kwa wale MCAs ambao hawajui ule wanayofanya kazi na yeye yuko wapi, na wale waliomchagua wanahitaji. Kwa hivyo nitakapopata directions nitajulisha taifa jinsi judge atakuwa amesema. Asante. Thank you. I want to take him to my office to make an application to the court. We consider to have him under witness protection, because he's the only person who sued for this matter. Why would you talk about it? So we also do that application of that. You can also politically call a county assembly sitting to discuss this matter, so that there is that weight in this matter, a serious matter in the country.